3, 2, 1. Welcome to YOUnitea LLC, Natural Teas and Remedies Tea Prep 101. All right, so today we are going to be talking about how to steep YOUnitea's tea. Why do I say YOUnitea's tea? Because we use the herbs for natural remedies. The herbs have healing, helpful properties, and in order to bring them out, there is a special way to steep. Not really special, just longer steeping process. So today we have special way. So today,
if you from Toledo, you know what that is.
So today,
My man, all right.
we have our green tea and lemongrass, which we use for our Immuni-Tea.
I love it.
That also comes with our blood orange and cinnamon and cloves.
Mm-hmm.
We also, and this tea is for our light boost of energy, natural energy. It has immune support abilities from the cloves, the citrus from the blood orange, and the cinnamon has a plethora of benefits as well. Take time, look them up. All right.
Straight up.
Then we have our serenity, which is our hibiscus and ashwagandha tea. This is for our calming, those who may be dealing with anxiety, a little bit of stress. This helps to calm you all the way down. You might get some good rest. I also call this like sleepy time tea because you get sleepy.
Amen.
All right.
Amen. Amen.
So we are going to steep first the Immuni-Tea. So what you're going to do is get your pot or your teapot, which we have a teapot back here.
Exhibit A.
And you're going to add water. And since it's
Lipstick
too,
on the water bottle. If you know the movie Block Party, you know okay.
Forgive him. Okay, so what we're gonna do, if you get one of our kits, you'll see that it comes with the loose leaf herb and tea bags. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your tea bag here, open it up, and
a lot of people don't know how to do this. I was shocked.
True.
A lot of people don't know how to make tea or steep it or never made tea. Ever.
This is
so
true.
This is good. I'm excited that we get to share this with you guys. I really am.
This is true.
Let's get to it. What we doing?
So you need a teaspoon of the herb. Get you a teaspoon or a normal serving spoon, but I recommend getting you one of these little measuring spoons for a little bit more added accuracy. And because your Immuni-Tea, once it's rehydrated, the lemongrass and the green tea is rehydrated, it kind of blows up in the bag. Not blows up like kaboom, but it,
it expands.
expands.
That's what it does.
So you got your
Absolutely.
open tea bag and you got your teaspoon of the loose leaf herb.
Amen.
You're gonna put that in there. Then you are going to pull the string on the bag, pull it close. You see that? I like to tie the bag so that it doesn't come out, so that the herb does not come out in the jar. Just a regular tie. Boom. You can double tie it if you like. Put a little knot in it. Boom. And you are done. You made your herbal tea bag. Now, depending on how much water you put in, you may be able to use this more than once. So I normally make 2 servings, which is 2 8-ounce glasses of water per tea bag. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our water, measure our water out. Can you handle that, Superman?
The water.
All right. And while he's getting the water, I'm going to tell you about this little number right here. If you also want to steep your tea on top of the stove, you most definitely can use a regular little saucepan, little pot like this. Put your water in here and it will do the same thing. If you want to add the herb directly to the pot, you have to have a strainer. Like, so we have here also, if you get a YOUnitea kit, it comes with a little serving size strainer. This will fit also the teaspoon of herb into this little strainer. And this one in particular, you can put this in your cup, put the herb in the strainer, put the strainer in the cup, or in...
Put the strainer in the cup.
Correct, in the cup, all right?
Amen.
If
Get
you
the
have,
kit. Get the kit.
I would recommend for first time tea drinkers or anybody that drinks tea on the go, anything, get the tea kit. Comes with your own little personal. I use this to travel. I have my own. So I swear by it. Here we go.
Get right or get left.
If you absolutely. So if you like I said, if you use the pot, make sure that you have a strainer, or once you pour it into your cup, you can have a strainer in your cup, just as long as you don't, you know, get all the herbs, the loose leaf herbs in your cup, because you don't necessarily want to eat or drink them. I don't like it. I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend it.
Strain your
just strain
stuff.
Let's just go there. Let's just strain.
Strain it.
All right.
We got water. So we gonna boil.
So we are actually going to boil the tea. So what I like to do is I put the tea bag directly into the pot. But first we're gonna add the water.
Straight up. I can do the honors.
Yes,
all
please.
Right.
We'll go to that second line.
For the second line.
Mm-hmm.
I can handle that.
Thank you so much. You're so strong, sir.
You know what I'm saying? You see this big heavy jug I'm pouring
You
water?
absolutely.
Not many people can do this.
You right.
The
You
way
right.
that I do it.
I'm one of them. I could never.
You know what I'm saying? Second line, 0.5.
Yes.
All right, right here.
Yep.
Let me win.
Win.
All right.
All right.
Look
So
at that perfect pour.
it is indeed
Right on the line.
a perfect
Almost,
pour.
kind of.
It's good. All right. So what we're gonna do is once you have your
I did
water.
that for you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Once you have your water, you can add your tea bag directly to the water, right? Just like that. Now, this is what I like to do. You can add your cinnamon and your cloves to the water. Let me grab a couple of cinnamon. Now, I recommend only putting about 3 cloves. Count them. 1, 2, and 3 cloves.
I concur. I agree. The cloves be clothing,
The
y'all.
cloves are strong.
They like that little, but
They pack a punch.
They be clothing.
So you can put it to taste. So if you're not sure how you'll do with the cloves, go with 1 or 2. But 3 is still good. It's not overpowering to me. Cinnamon stick. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Cinnamon stick. Now, depending on how your tolerance is of cinnamon can also be very, very potent. But I like mine potent.
I like cinnamon.
Yes. So I put the whole little stick in there. If you're not sure, break the stick in half or take a couple of pieces depending on what your package looks like, okay?
I want
Throw
the
that in
whole
there.
stick.
Throw it in there like that, like that.
Cinnamon me up.
Then we put the pot on the thing, that thing, and then we set it to boil. And then we wait.
All right, bet.
And while we're waiting, why do I put the tea bag into the?
Go ahead. I thought it was like dance party break.
We can get there in just a second. Let me reiterate this one thing and then dance party. Okay? So the longer you steep the tea, the more of the medicinal properties will be released into the water. So if you like a lighter tasting tea, if you want something for the taste, don't steep it as long. You don't even have to put it into the water while it's steeping. You can actually pour the boiling water into the cup and let your tea bag steep in the cup. However, I love to use the teas for its medicinal properties, so I steep it longer. And the longer you steep it, the darker the color. I like mine to be a very dark copper golden color. It's very beautiful color. It's very aromatic. So
I concur.
the longer you steep it, the better it'll be. We're almost done with boiling, so let the dance party commence. And look, we're almost done boiling.
Just in time.
See the tea is changing colors on us?
As you can see, the tea has been boiled. Therefore, the color of the water has changed. We have our herb in the tea bag. We have our cinnamon. We have our cloves. Just 3, remember. The cloves be cloven. Therefore, the medicinal properties and all of the good things are now dispersed in the water. We must have dispersion in the water.
So, now that the water has stopped boiling, we wait.
But how long?
Till it cools down just a little bit, because you don't want to be like me and burn yourself.
All right, makes sense.
Because it's too hot.
Knowledge.
If you like your taste buds, don't drink it too hot.
All right.
It'll burn them right off.
How long do you typically let your tea steep in? You know,
Maybe about another 5 minutes.
all of its goodness.
Or if I'm doing something, just until I'm finished, because it doesn't necessarily, I say another 5 minutes. If you put it in the water as it boils, I will let it rest for about another 5 minutes before I drink it, because it's too hot. And it also allows it to steep a little longer. But if you are allowing it to, if you boil the water first and then pour it into your cup, let it steep for about 7 to 10 minutes, I would suggest. And I like to cover it. I cover my cup with like some foil or something like that if you have it. Or if your teacup has a lid, then that's great too, just to keep the heat in and allowing the herb to release from the tea bag.
Amen.
And once it has set, it is now time to pour up.
I can dig it. I like to pour up.
No, you don't. Here we go.
Not alcohol. Tea, of course.
You see that golden color? There you go.
Beautiful.
And now you can either add your own honey like this, or as you're steeping it, put in your blood orange. Steep and enjoy.
Hey, for me?
For you.
I
Para
get
ti.
to. Hold on, man. It's giving life. It's giving everything I need. It's giving just for me, my body.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know how you just know? It's for you, for your health and your benefits. That's what it's giving. You see, you got to have tea that's giving. If you don't have tea that's giving, then you ain't getting. You understand what I'm saying? You see what I did there? If you don't have tea, huh? Come on, somebody. Come on, you're gonna be my first lady. You gotta back me up. If you don't have tea, that's given, then you ain't getting. Because you can't get if it does not
give.
Come on, I'm gonna throw this out of the window. I'm just gonna drink it.
There it is.
Sometimes you gotta take your time. I was gonna rush in. Sometimes you gotta let it get in your nostrils. A couple deep breaths. it feels like it's doing something.
On the inside.
Come on, somebody. On the inside. There.
Right there.
Yes. As my worship leader would say, down in your belly. That's what it feels like. It's in there working. For my good. And for you, when you drink. It's for everybody. Community for the... YOUnitea for the community. I said it backwards, but you understand. You understand.
So, as you saw how we have steeped our Immuni-Tea the same way, same thing for our Serenity. So, if you have any questions, please comment and put it in the, comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms. YOUnitea.
Amen. You ain't tell me we're supposed to be smiling.
Grab the mug.
Boy, you gotta be proud. You gotta have that face like, this is my tea. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know. I burnt my whole little tongue drinking that quick. I had to do it though. I had to do it for y'all, for the people.
This the blueprint. This the blueprint.
Amen. If you would like to purchase some tea, we have it available online now, so we can ship it out to you. So go to our website. The link will be in the description of this video. On our IG page, it will be in the bio. Definitely go click, check out the website. It has information on all these ingredients that we showed you that were in the tea, with instructions just like we showed you on how to boil it, how to steep it, all that good stuff. So definitely go out, hit the link, or go in to the internet and click the link. Don't go out. See, because out there, you're gonna deal with all kind of things in the world. But we shouldn't be of the world just because we in the world. Therefore, don't go out.
Go in.
Go to the link and buy some tea. Goddamn.